Hi everyone, this is Mark of TechPinas, and in this new video, I'm going to give you my reasons why I think the DJI Mic 2 is a must-have for vloggers as well as content creators who want to level up the audio quality of their videos. But before that, here's a quick unboxing of the DJI Mic 2. So the first reason would have to be the very high quality audio recording that the DJI Mic 2 delivers. So this microphone is specifically optimized for picking up great vocals for talking head videos or narrating videos like this one, and also for interview videos. So here is a sample video. So the entire video that I shot was recorded using the DJI Mic 2 connected to my Canon mirrorless camera. My camera is the Canon EOS M6 Mark II. My second reason would have to be the AI-driven noise cancelling technology of the DJI Mic 2. And this innovation intelligently discerns the environmental noise compared to the desired audio. This ensures crystal clear vocals that are free from unwanted disturbances. So currently, we're experiencing a strong gust of wind, and it also helps that the transmitter has this windscreen, which greatly helps in minimizing wind noise when you're recording your videos. The third reason would have to be the ability of the DJI Mic 2 to record audio separately on the camera as well as through the transmitter. So this gives you a great backup audio file in the event of file corruption. So this is a sample audio recorded using the DJI Mic 2, saved on the card of my Canon mirrorless camera. And this one is a sample audio recorded using the DJI Mic 2, saved on the transmitter's internal storage. Alright, so one of the great advantages in using a high-quality wireless microphone like the DJI Mic 2 is that it can help you in recording great audio for talking head shots or narrating videos like this one, even when you're positioned away from the camera. So in this case, I started from a distance of 30 meters away from my camera, and as you can hear, the sound quality is still very good and high quality. Another thing I love about the DJI Mic 2 is the extensive compatibility of this wireless microphone. So it can work with a large number of devices because it comes with adapters. So for example, I'm currently using it to record audio and video using my smartphone, the Honor 95G. So because the DJI Mic 2 came with a USB Type-C adapter, I can use it with that smartphone. Okay, so what can you say about the audio quality? Is it good? Let me know. Because the DJI Mic 2 comes with two transmitters, you can actually do interviews using it. So currently, as you can see, my brother is wearing the other transmitter here, and we use the magnet that comes with it to clip it to his clothing. Okay, so you don't see the wind muff, it's all inside his shirt. Okay, so let me know the sound quality. So how are you?
I'm doing good naman. Ito, nandito tayo sa Rizal Park,
yes,
doing some
here.
exercise and everything cardio for our health.
So as you've heard, the DJI Mic 2 is very useful indeed when you want to do interviews.
Thumbs up.
My next reason would have to be the 6-hour battery life of the DJI Mic 2. So that should be more than enough time for any vlogger or content creator to create videos that can engage their audience. Alright, so there you have it. Those are my reasons why I believe that the DJI Mic 2 is a must-have for all vloggers as well as video content creators. The DJI Mic 2 is now officially available here in the Philippines for 19,000 pesos, making it accessible to both amateurs as well as professionals. I highly recommend it.